is the Supra back at home. I have just started trying to get the paint work looking nice. I started a little bit and then thought, I should probably record it. So I'll walk you around the car. So we will walk to this wing. You just see there's no reflection. It's just dull. There's loads of paint defects. I think that's going to be bird poo that's caused that. Obviously the paint on the front bumper is a bit questionable, but it's all cracked and flaking and whatnot, but that's nothing that can't be fixed. And obviously this is a Bomex front bumper. Too Fast and Furious? Fast and Furious? One of the two, I can't remember. So we did a little bit of a wet sand on this wing, and then a bit of correction using a polisher and some of this Maguire's correction compound, just to see what we could get, if we could revive it a bit. And I have to say, it's not done too bad. Obviously there's still some defects, like just there in the paint, but it's not had the best respray in its past life. As you can tell, the car was a silver car previously. There are other ways to tell that it was a silver car as well. Just go in here. Yeah, like I say, questionable respray, but something that we are going to get done in the future. Started doing the door a little bit as well. I mean, compared to, started sanding a little bit there, compared to what this is, just awful. No reflection, wet sand, and then a bit of polish. And she comes up alright, and I look pretty short. Nice. So I spent all day wet sanding and polishing, with a cutting compound. It's not perfect, obviously you can see there are swirl marks. I have no idea what I'm doing with a polisher, but some of it's alright. But from what this car used to look like, there are some bits that are a bit iffy. Where we got the roof is, I haven't sanded polished this yet, but it's not really coming up. You can see here it's not really reflective. I've done this bit, it's not that great. So some of it's okay, like this up here is a bit okay, but yeah, the rest of it's not come up too bad. It's looking pretty good, considering this was literally yesterday just flat. There was no shine or anything to it. It was completely flat. So considering I don't know what I'm doing with the polisher, I'd say I've not done a horrendous job. The paintwork's knackered anyway. We've got bits like this, and obviously that's iffy. I'm obviously going to respray those, and there's the blade over there.